Conclusion. You now have everything that you need to choose a profitable niche and set it up correctly. There is a fair bit of preparation work to complete in the early stages, but it is worth it if you want long-term success. Niche marketing is not dead, and there are no saturated niches, so don't believe these myths. There is plenty of opportunity for you to create a profitable niche marketing website that you can develop and make a serious income from. Grab the opportunity to be perceived as an expert in your niche. People are always naturally drawn to experts and authority figures, and this will really help you to get noticed. You will be able to build a large following on social media and many regular visitors to your website who have a strong interest in your niche. Choose the monetization options that are right for you. We provided you with several examples, but you don't have to use them all. Some people use their niche websites to establish themselves as an expert and then sell coaching services to their customers, for example. If the niche offers this opportunity, then you can do this too. Now it is your turn. You need to take action and follow the advice provided in this guide. Don't skip any steps in the process. Once you have set up your niche website correctly, then it is all about providing quality content and marketing. Nothing is more important than getting targeted visitors to your niche website once it is up and running with content. So, focus the majority of your attention on this. You can set up a sales funnel where people join your email list and then have the opportunity to view your offers with upsells, etc. Take your niche marketing business seriously, but have fun with it too. It is great to learn new things and increase your knowledge about a niche. When people start coming to you for advice, it is a very satisfying feeling. It should not take you too long to get to this point. We hope that you found modern niche marketing informative and helpful. Now it is time for you to start generating niche ideas and validating them. We wish you every success with your niche marketing business.